Yes.
As the court please, my lord, two witnesses stood down.
Yes, yes.
Can we start with Captain Nailana, given his health condition?
Yeah, quite. Yes, Mr. Ramsey.
My lord, I'm eternally indebted to the court for the time, my lord. I just want to confirm, my lord, that Captain Nailana may be excused. I don't have any questions for him.
Okay. But you've got a strong witch doctor.
Okay, my lord.
Thank you. You're excused.
We'll then continue with the cross-examination of Sergeant Marshall.
Yes, Mr. Ramsey.
As the court pleases, my lord.
Confirm that she's still under oath.
Good day, Sergeant Marshall.
Okay, my lord. Good day, my lord.
Now let's just start with the background of how you got involved to take the Buccal swab from accused number 2. You
Arsimolle ka gore go tlile yang o tlo feletsa stele gore o tsa di sample tsele tsa molatofatso wa bobedi.
You stated that at the time of this incident on the 16th of June 2020, were you at the cells in Pretoria North SAPS, or were you based there per your employment as at the SAPS in Pretoria North?
We itse ka di 16 tsa June ha ne go tlo kopiwa gore o tse di sample tsele o no le go di selling kapa o no beilwe mo ko Pretoria North go ya ka mmereko wa gago.
Ka di 16 tsa June 2020 ne ke le on duty ko Pretoria North as detective ke bereka di sele le di docket tse di tswang ka mo charge office ke re based mo Pretoria.
On the 16th of June, I was on duty at Pretoria North, and I was based at the cells and also receiving dockets that were coming in, and I was based in Pretoria North. Nge 16 zika June ngalesikhathi uZebuzo celwa ukuthi uzothatha la masample womsolwa wawukade usemsebenzini emaselini noma wawukade kwenza kanjani uthi ngangikade ngilapho Pretoria North la ukuthi ngangikade ngisebenza umsebenzi wami njengobu detective futhi ngiyamkela nama docket amasha abekade efika.
And then at some stage you were approached by an officer who introduced himself as Sergeant Mohane, and he requested your assistance regarding the taking or obtaining of a buccal swab from a suspect, correct?
Juana le nako mo eleng gore o gotla Sergeant Mohane a tlo go kopa gore o mo thuse ka go tsa di sample tse rileng go molatofatso wa orile. That is correct, he asked me. Bese kuba nesikhathi la uye wacelwa uSergeant Mohane ukuthi uzothatha ama sample thizeni kumsolwa othize uthi yebo iqiniso.
And what was the case reference number that he gave you in respect for which the buccal swab were required?
We la khonaya case reference number efeng eleng gore lo bereka mo go yona mo go di sample tseo.
Ampileng yone umphile case number e ke ngwadile mo ya Phosphorus SAPS reference number 636 of 10/2014.
The case reference number that he gave me, it was the Phosphorus 636 10/2014.
Now by way of
manje ke uye wagnika yipi I case reference number uthi wangnika le eye Phosphorus 636 10/2014.
Now, just by way of background in terms of what Sergeant Mohale testified about in this court, and you may comment if you know, if you don't know, you can just say you cannot comment. Sergeant Mohane testified that on the 16th of June 2020, him and together with Sergeant Mabena arrested accused number 2 in phase 2 Rustenburg. And that accused number 2 was then transported from there. First, they had to go and drop off the escort at Puking SAPS that escorted them to the place of accused number 2. Then from there, they drove to Pretoria, specifically to Pretoria North SAPS, where accused number 2 was booked in and detained.
Sergeant Mohane yena o ile a re o ile ba ile ba tshwara molatofatso ko phase 2 ko Phokeng e be le gore bona ba ilo siabane ba ba thusa ba ba latella morago ba ile ba ba sia teng fo ko Rustenburg ka moraga fo e be le gore bone ba tla ba ya Pretoria North ko sepodiseng sa Pretoria North ke mo molatofatso a ileng a tswalwa teng ga ile gore wa itse ka tshwaela ga o sa itse o ka nna wa
a ke itse
buella go dimo
a ke itse a ke a mmotsisa gore o tswa kae ba ya kae ba dirang ha ke a botsisa di questions tse.
I do not know. I did not ask him where were they coming from and where were they going to. I did not ask him such questions. Uma ngabe uyazi ungaphawula uma ungazi uzosho nakhona ngoba uSergeant Mohane yena uye wathi babophe umsolwa ePhukeng ephase 2 mabaqeda bathatha ke bashiya amaphoyisa lawayana la bekade behamba nabo babashiya Rustenburg bese bayeza bona ke beza ePretoria North. Uma ngabe uyazi ungasho uthi yena akazi futhi azange abuze leyo mibuzo akazange futhi afune nokwazi ukuthi kwakuyiwaphi ngemva kwalokho.
Importantly, Sergeant Mohane testified that he arrested accused number 2 on the 16th of June 2020 in respect of a Nongoma case 163 of 10/2018 and not this Phosphorus case 636 of 10/2014.
May you please repeat the Nongoma case?
Case number 163
Thank you.
of 10/2018.
O re ge ntho e botlhokwa ke gore Sergeant Mohane yena o ile a re gane a tshwara molatofatswa o ne a mo tshwarela molato wa 163 10 20 20 2018 e leng gore ke molato wa ko Nongoma ga ka a bua ka gore o na mo tshwarela molato wa 636 ga a bua sepe ka yona.
Ha a bua sepe ka yone mo go nna nna ke kopile fela gore Buccal ke itse for which station ampha information ya case ya Phosphorus fela.
No, he did not make mention of that particular case number of Nongoma. All I asked when I asked him which case am I taking the Buccals for, he gave me the 63610 of 2014 for Phosphorus. Manje uSergeant Mohane yena uye wathi la enkantolo wayekade ebopha umangalelwa ngecala la kwaNongoma u163 10 ya 2018 akazange akhulume ngecala leli lephosphorus. Uthi ufakazi mina akazange angitshele ngecala la kwaNongoma ungitshele ngecala le636 leli lasephosphorus.
And importantly, supporting documentation was also produced in the form of occurrence books, in particular the one for Pretoria North, I believe is Exhibit NN, which shows that accused number 2 was indeed booked under 163 Nongoma murder case 163 of 10/2018 in Pretoria North, and he was not booked under Phosphorus 63610 of 2014.
Gape ge ntwe mo e botlhokwa ke gore ile ya kwalwa le fo dibukeng tsa sepodisa sa Pretoria e leng tsona di OB mo e leng gore ne gathilwe molatofatswa yena o bukhelwa molato wa 163 10 2018 iseng ole wa Phosphorus.
En yona ke na information ya yone se ke se buang fela gore ke kopile ha ke tlatsa this form ke for case number and the station ke tsa mphileng tsone ka another case a ke na information ya yone.
I do not have information with regards to that other case, When I asked him for information, I completed this document using the information that he provided, which was that one of phosphorus, my lord. Uthi-ke enye into esemqoka ukuthi ummangalelwa kwincwadi zasesiphoyiseni sasePretoria North kubhaliwe ukuthi ummangalelwa yena wayekade evalelwa ngenxa yecala lakwaNongoma. Uma ephendula ufakazi uthi mina into ebalekile engiyibhalile yile ebekade engazisa yona uma engitshela ukuthi ngangikade ngivalelwa engangikade ngisiza ngokuthi umuntu wayekade evalelwe kuleli cala lase phosphorus le yakwaNongoma angizange ngitshelwe ngayo.
Now, importantly for that, because he stated categorically on 2 occasions in this court, in the main trial, in the trial within a trial, that on the 16th, I did not arrest Ntanzi, accused number 2, over 636 phosphorus cast 63610 of 2014. I was investigating the Nongoma case 163 of 10. The point really is the, sorry, Mr. Interpreter.
Yes, sir.
The point really is this. I would have expected to see a Buccal swab for Nongoma case 163 10 2018 rather than this Buccal swab, because the investigations on the day related to Nongoma.
Ar gape so se seng se se botlhokwa ke gore o ile a bua gape le yena Sergeant Mogane a rona sa tshware le molatofatso wa molato o wa 636 o rile o na mo tshwarela molato le wa Nongoma wa 163 e leng gore yena ramolao o re o ne a lebelletse gore gongwe di swapo tse leng gore o tlile go bona di swapo tsa molato o le wa 163 ya go ga Nongoma e seng tse tsa phosphorus.
Nna ne ke kwala se ampotsang sone. Phosphorus SAPS reference 636 of 10 2014. Ki filwe ke ene Sergeant Mogane as ne ke mo thusa go tsaya Buccal.
My lord, I was writing what I was being told. The case number, phosphorus 636, I received it from Sergeant Mogane as I asked him which case reference number should I use, and he gave me the phosphorus case reference number. Manje ke enye into esemqoka ukuthi uSergeant Mogane yena uye wathi ngangade ngingaboyipheli ummangalelwa icala leli lase phosphorus bengimbophela icala lase lakwaNongoma, futhi ummeli uthi yena wayekade elindele ukuthi uzothola ubufakazi lobu ba lama DNA ngecala lakwaNongoma hayi icala leli lase phosphorus. Ufakazi uma ephendula uthi yena ubhale into ebekade eyaziswa noma eyitshelwa uSergeant Mogane akazange amnike olunye ulwazi nangaleli yacala lakwaNongoma, ingakho ebhale lelicala lase phosphorus ucase 63610 2014.
And Sergeant Mashele, you must understand this. I'm not putting any fault or any blame at your door, but this is what the investigating officer who arrested accused number 2 testified about in court as truthful about the events leading to the arrest of accused number 2 and the incarceration of accused number 2 at Pretoria North SAPS on the 16th of June 2020.
Gape ramolao a re wena o utlwisise gore ga se gore a re wena o irile diphoso o go raya fela gore bopaki bo e leng gore lepodisa le le batlisang ka molato le le la moraka bona gore yena o ne a mo boleletse ka molato le wa gore molatofatsa o na tshwarelwa molato le wa go ga Nongoma, ga se gore a re wena o irile diphoso o feletsa sele gore o kwala dilo tse seng tsona.
Okay.
That is understood. Manje uzwisise ke ukuthi mina ngingumeli kaMmangalelo wesibini angisho ukuthi wena wenze amaphutha ngokubhala leli cala le 636. Mina sengisho ukuthi iphoyisa leliyane liphenya ngaleli cala libhale lithe umsolo ubekade eboshelwa icala leli 163. Akusokuthi ngithi wenze iphutha uthi uyazwisisa.
Okay. Now, let's go to this exhibit D in brackets 7, the one that you completed on the day. let's start first with the ID number. Who provided that ID number to you?
A re ye mo pampiring e ID number e leng nomoro e ya boikitsiso ke mang o go neileng yone?
Ke feel ke Mr. Ntanzi because ha ke tlatsa di party e ke botsisa eno tshwantse ampere o le nne sure gore ke mabitso a gagwe le ID number.
It was provided to me by Mr. Ntanzi because when I complete this part and the witness pointing at the part where it says donor, she has to ask the donor of their name and initials and their ID number. Therefore, it was provided by the donor, which is Mr. Ntanzi. Manje ke asiqale ke ngale nombolo yozaziso ubani okunike yona uthi mina nginikwe uyena umnumzana uNtanzi ngoba uma ngibhala la kubhalwe donor kwamele ngibhale isibongo salomuntu obengikade ngithatha lama samples kuyena ne nombolo yakhe yozaziso.
Okay. And once you have completed the form, it's an original, and how many duplicates does it come in?
Kamraga gore sto tladitse form e go nna le e ya originally ye be ile gore go nna le tse kae tse ding tse di sala.
Inna ke di 3
There's 3 documents.
ke original le tse pedi ka motlase.
It's a original and 2 duplicates. Thike manje ngemva kokuthi ugcwalise kunamaphepha angakhi laphayana uthi mathathu ile original nalawa amanye amabini afana nayo i-original.
And what happens regarding the appending of the thumbprint on the space provided there to the form?
Go iragalang ka gore go bewe monwana e leng gore go na le karolo e beilweng teng fo gore go bewe monwana.
A ke utlwe boeletsa potso?
Go iragalang ka go bewa wa monwana jaaka go na le karolo e leng gore e beilwe gore fo tshwanetse go bewe monwana wa motho.
Where you take the thumbprint, you see next to the initials and the ID number, there's a space reserved for finger printing.
A ke re wa bona fa jaaka go na le gore tshwanetse go bewe monwana wa motho. Go iragala yang, go iragala eng mo go tsona dipampiri tseo?
Go iragalang ka monwana or di duplicate?
Yes.
Are you referring to the duplicate
Yes.
or the original one of the thumbprint?
Remember, it's in triplicate. That's a original plus the 2 duplicates.
Ore jaaka ele original le tse ding tse pedi tse tshwanang le tsona. Go iragala yang ka taba ya monwana?
O taba ya monwana re starta re baya mo e mo hodimo because a ke re ka se tlhagelele ka mo e be re boa gape re tse re beya ka mo re beya le ka.
With regards to the thumbprint, we would put first on the top form and then again take a thumbprint and put it on the next form and do the same on the last form. Manje ke kwenzakala njani ke ngendaba yesithupha njengoba kune ndawo la kwamele kufakwe isithupha somuntu uthi soqala ke ngale ephezulu sibeke isithupha bese nakulelinye form bese sibeka nesithupha sakhe nakuleli lokugcina siyenze kanjalo.
Now, my instructions having shown this document to, in fact, let me pause there. Let me strike that. I'll come back to this. I know that this incident occurs on the 16th of June 2020. Do you still recall physically the person that you took that you obtained the Buccal swab from?
Arwa itse gore taba e iragetse ka di 16 tsa June 2020. O santse mo gopola motho o tsereng di samples tsa gagwe mo go yena.
A ke sure gore nka mo gopola sentle because ke khale ene. Ke khale.
I am not sure if I could still recall that particular person because it has been long since I had taken the samples. Manje ngiyazi ukuthi le ndaba yenzakele nge-16 zika June 2020 labo kade uthatha lama sample ungamkhumbula noma usamkhumbula lo muntu owathatha ama sample kuyena uthi seyinesikhathi le ndaba iyenzekile anginaso isiqiniseko sokuthi ngingamkhumbula kahle lo muntu.
Okay. And in your conversation with that person that you obtained, what language were you speaking with that person? That you obtained?
o bua le motho o jaaka o no tsa di sample tse jaaka o no buisana le yena o mmotsa dipotso o no berekisa leleme lefe puo efe
Ne ke berekisa puo yaka ha sa ntlhaloganye ke tla ke tsenya le English
puo ya go e leng efe?
Setswana.
I was using Setswana, which is my first language, and then when he did not understand me, I would then speak English. Manje, ngalesikhathi ukhuluma nalo muntu, wawukade usebenzisa liphi ulimi. Uthi yena wayekade esebenzisa ulimi lwakhe oyikuthi kuyisitswana. Uma lo muntu akhuluma naye engamuzwa, wayekade ke efaka isingesi.
And just on the how you went about obtaining the buccal swab, how did you do that?
O irile yang gore o tla o kry di sample tsele tsa ka fo galo.
Ke mo kopile go di tsaya.
I asked him that he should give me permission to take the buccal swabs. Wenze njani ukuthatha lama sample lawayana we DNA uthi ngiye ngamcela ukuthi ngiwathathe ama sample.
And thereafter?
Kamraga fo gore o mo kope.
A dumela.
He agreed. Mayiqeda ukumcela kwayenzakalani uthi wavuma.
And then how did you obtain that?
Kamraga fo ebele gore o di tsayang di sample tseo.
Yaka ke tlhalositse ke startile ka go tsentsha ne ke setse ke tsentshitse ditlhafo ke beile sengwe le sengwe mo ke tsentseng ntho ka mo kopa gore a bule molomo o tsaya swapo ele o e tsenya ka moleganong wa e rola ka moleganong la gagwe to the right o ya ko left o ntse o e rola o bukentsa.
Like I've explained, my lord, the whole process where you put on the hand gloves and a mask and all the documentations, and then I would take that swab and then I rolled it in his mouth, rolling it from the right to the left and vice versa. And then that's how you take the swab. Uthi ke wenze njani ke ngemva kokuthi somcelile ukuthi wavuma ke yena ukuthatha lawo masample uthi njengoba bese sengichazile ukuthi ngeke ngafaka ama glove nesponyo na wonke amaphepha bekade elaphayana kulayi ukuthi ngiye ngathatha ke le sample ngayifaka kuye emlomo ngayisa phezulu naphansi kumlomo wakhe ngakwehlangothi lokudlane ihlangothi lesinxele bese ke kula ngiye ngathatha lawo masample.
Now in obtaining that swab, the swabbing within the mouth with the kit, is there a standard way of doing that test, or you do it as per your knowledge? Is there a standard way?
Gona le tsela e leng gore la ye le ire teko eo ka yona na khotsa o ira go ya ka kitso ya gago jaaka o tsenya swap ele foganong gona le tsela e leng gore e rileng e tshwanetseng e berekisiwe khotsa o ira ka kitso ya go
ka mokgwa ba rutileng ka teng o tshwanetse o itse swap ele o e role mo leganong la motho o mo tseyang o rola like to right ka mo sideng ye o boe o role le ka mo.
According to the way I was taught, you would take the swab and roll it to the right on the other side and then roll it as well on the other side. Manje kunendlela na ebekiwe ukuthi kwamele uma nithatha lawo masample nisebenze kanjani noma usebenzisa ulwazi lwakho uthi ngalendlela engifundiswe ngayo kwamele uyifake leyo sample bese uyisebenzisa uyenzela ngakwisanda sokudla bese ke nangapha uyenze nje kanjalo.
Now I'm not sure about his rank, so I'll call him Mr. Mr. Tsiye testified he's an officer in respect to the obtaining of the swab, and he says the practice or the training is that on the left you do a 5-second swab, then you move to the right and do a 5-second swab, so that's a total of 10 seconds. Is that how you were trained?
Ramona o re ga gopole gore kana ke keng rank ya ga Retsie o tla mmitsa Retsie yena o rile ga le tsenya swap ele ka fogano tshwanetse le ire ka fo letlhakoreng la letsogo la moja le ire ga nako e le kanang le metsotswana e metlhano le ka fo letlhakoreng la letsogo la letshegadi nako e le kanang le metsotswana e metlhano e leng 5 seconds ka ga e feletse ira 10 seconds ke ka moggo le rutilweng ka teng
e ka nna nna ya loka gore ha o e rabe sebaka.
It could be that, my lord, because when you rub it, you do not rub it for long. It could be those seconds.
My lord,
Unorin?
A ke sure ka di second, but the way re rabang ha re rabe sebaka ke yone e ka nna tsone di second tseo.
I am not sure with regards to the seconds. However, the way we rub it, it does not take long. It could be those seconds. Manje ke uye washo ke omunye ufakazi engasakhumbule ukuthi yena uyini emsebenzini kodwa sibongo sakhe utsiye ngizombiza umnumzana utsiye la ukuthi uye wathi uma usebenzisa leya swab kwamele uyenze ngakwisandla sokudla isikhathi esingalingana nama seconds amahlanu isandla sesinqele ama seconds amahlanu makuphelele kusho ukuthi ama seconds ayishume uthi kungaba njalo ngoba uma siyenza asithathi isikhathi anginaso isiqiniseko kahle kahle kule mizuzwana ekukhulunywa ngayo.
My lord, I beg leave to approach accused number 2.
Yes.
As it pleases my court, the court, my lord, just a small clarification with respect to, you said that you were speaking English and your language, which is Isetswana, when you were speaking to accused number 2. He states to me that the person that obtained this document, he doesn't speak Tswana and he doesn't understand English either. But
the accused doesn't
yes.
speak and understand.
Yeah.
Ore molatufatswa ga ramola wa bua le ena ore motho o ne a bua le ena go lofa ga ne a tsa di samples yena molatufatswa ga a bue Setswana gape ga se tlhaloganye le Senyesemane ga se bue ebile ga se utlwisise.
Nna the time ke tsaya ntho o na ntlhaloganya sentle that is why ke kwadile and hanke na sa ntlhaloganye ke be ke batlile mongwe a ka re interpretelang so that ke a gopola the time ke tsaya no sna interpreter.
My lord,
re ke bua gore re kgone go tlhaloganya sega nna le Mr. Mtanzi.
My Lord, when I took the samples from Mr. Mtanzi, I was speaking in Setswana and he could understand me very well. And I made sure that we understand each other. If he couldn't have understand me, I would have made sure that there would be an interpreter. But there was no need for an interpreter because we communicated fairly well with each other. Manje ke uthi ummeli umnumzana Mtanzi yena uthi lo muntu lo bekamthatha lama sample njengoba wayekade ekhuluma isiTswana nesingesi yena umnumzana Mtanzi uthi wayekade engasizwisisi isiTswana ukusazi nokusizwa nesingesi ukusazi nokusizwa akasazi uthi ufakazi ngalesikhathi ngimthatha lama sample mina naye sasizwana kahle ngiyenze isiqiniseko sokuthi siyezwana kube kuye uma engabe kuye kwaba nesidingo sokuthi kube notoliki bengizoyenza isiqiniseko sokuthi ngimtholela umuntu obekade ezomtolikela kodwa ngoba sasikade sizwana kahle akuzange kudingeke utoliki.
Just in passing, you've also stated that after completing obtaining the Buccal swab, you then handed the ID kit in a sealed forensic bag, PA 4004 718 737, correct?
Ka moraga gore o tsere di sample tsele o rile o ile wa nela kit ele ene we tswalletse e leng gore nomoro tsa teng ke yona PA 447 18737 go ya
Ho ntse yana.
that is correct ngemva kokuthi usoqedile ke uye washo ukuthi uye wathatha bonke ubufakazi wabuvala ngalena wabufaka kulesi sikhwama esobufakazi ekuthi inombolo yakho nakade ku PA 447 18737 kunjalo uthi yebo.
That will be all. The rest of the questions will be directed to Sergeant Mohane. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Valoy, in a re-exam.
Just one aspect. Mr. Ramusepele asked you about the procedure that you followed. Have you taken buccal samples before this particular one?
Ramolao o go boditse ka tsela e leng gore megato e o e tsereng gane o tsa di sample tse e ne ile santlha o tsa di sample kgotsa o no kile wa di tsa mo nakong e fetileng.
Ne ke tle ka di tsaya mo nakong e fetileng.
Yes, I have taken samples before, my lord.
More or
Manje
less, how many?
o ne ste e le kgetho la bokae gongwe ga e le gore o ka gopola.
Yo. I think e ka nna more than e ka feta 20. Ke gantsi.
I have taken many samples, roughly more than 20.
Thank you, that is all.
Manje ke umnumzana Ramusipili ukubuze ngendlela ukuthi uyithathile inyathelo ozithathile ngapha ngokuthi wenze le sample wawukade uqala na ukuthatha ama samples uthi cha mhlawumbe uthathe amangaki uthi nangokho ngasakhumbuli kahle kodwa wayese eqile ku 20.
Mr. Ramsepidi, the assertion you put to this witness on your instructions, as you say, you're saying that she and your client did not understand each other, or your client did not understand her, because I just want to get clarity there.
In essence, that's the instruction, because he says, I don't speak Tswana, therefore I don't understand it. I've got a little to none understanding of English.
You see, just as a matter of interest, when he opened the mouth, what did you say to him to do that? Because you say you put on swabs. So he didn't understand you, maybe, when he said, open your mouth, or did you force the mouth open?
Khotla e batla go itse gore gane a bula molomo o rileng mo go yena khotsa o ile wa tsa molomo wa gagwe wa o bula.
No, ke mo kopile gore a bule molomo ke kopa go tseya and then
I asked him to open his mouth.
And he did so.
A o bula molomo. Yes, my lord.
And what about the swabs?
Di swap tsona?
di swapo.
wa di tsenya ka fo go di tsaya ka fo gano
Ke di tsintshitse ka e rola yalo after ka e ntsha ka continue ka go package.
My Lord, I placed the swabs in his mouth and I rolled them accordingly and then I packaged them.
He didn't push you. What are you doing in my mouth?
Ga ka a go kharametsa a ruirang fo ganula.
Nna le cooperative shana.
No, he was so cooperative. Manje ke kuze kanjani umnumzana uNtanzi ukuthi avule umlomo ngalesikhathi ukhuluma naye ngoba ukuya ngommeli uthi umnumzana uNtanzi akasizwisisi isitwana nesingesi akasazi. Wenze njani? Uthi ngeke ngamcela ukuthi avule umlomo. Wawuvula umlomo. Inkantolo iyabuza ukuthi mhlawumbe uye wamphoqa na ukuthi avule umlomo. Uthi cha angizange ngimphoqe. Uye wazivulela umlomo. Bese amaswab nawo ngawathatha ngifaka emlomo. Inkantolo iyabuza ukuthi akazange akushove athi wenzane emlomo. Uthi cha akazange wayekade esebenzisana nami and the accused is raising his hand, my Lord.
My Lord, may I-
Yes.
I mean, that's it, my Lord, thank you.
And Sergeant Mohano and Mabena, were they present in the room?
Gane o mo ira dio sample e o Sergeant Mabena le Sergeant Mohane ba ne ba le teng mo roomong mo.
Ne ba le teng, my Lord.
Yes, they were present, my Lord.
Thank
O
you.
Sergeant Mohane no Sergeant Mabena be bakade be khona ngaleso sikhathi uthi be ba khona kulelo group.
Yes, any questions arising?
I've got none, my Lord, thank you.
No questions. And swear, madam.
Okay, right, 2 men, thanks.
Thank you.
So go poking.
Mafike.
Mahike, okay. How about you, Medis? Yes, Mr.
Thank you, as a court, please, my Lord. My Lord, we going to hand a series of bank records for
Of what?
bank records.
Oh, bank records, yeah.
Of the accused, except for accused number 3, in terms of section 236. And my colleague will take the court through those records. We've prepared a,
When you say bank records, I don't understand you. Whose bank records?
the bank records of all the accused except accused number 3, my Lord.
Oh, okay. Is it by agreement? Because you say you are going to hand them over.
Well, section 236.
Yeah, I know.
In terms of section 36.
Okay, let's read section 236 so that we all are on one page.
It basically says they constitute prima facie proof, and whoever disputes them is at liberty to have that bank employee subpoenaed.
Yeah, quite. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Let's hear you. Mr. Sebanda.
Escort, please, my lord.
Yes.
The purpose of this evidence, in short, is to challenge the alibi of accused number 1 during the time of the commission of the offense, and secondly, also to show the telephone numbers that the accused persons provided when they opened this particular bank account.
Okay.
Let's go, please. The exhibits marked as Exhibit EE, and I'll start with page 1. It's Force Lores case 636 of 10/2014, affidavit in terms of section 236 of Act 51 of 1977, proof of entries in accounting records and or documentation of banks. Paragraph number 1. I, the undersigned P. Law, do hereby state that I am in the service of Capitec Bank, 60 Main Street, Johannesburg, hereinafter referred to as this bank. Paragraph number 2. I have examined the entries in the accounting records and the documents of this bank as set out in the annexure hereto. Paragraph 3. The attached copies of the aforesaid entries in the accounting records and of the aforesaid documents are correct copies of the entries in the accounting records and of the documents of this bank. Paragraph 4. The aforesaid accounting records and or documents have not been ordinary records and documents of this bank. The entries in the aforesaid accounting records have been made and the aforesaid documents have been compiled, printed and obtained in the usual and ordinary course of the business of the bank. The aforesaid accounting records and or documents are in the custody or under the control of this bank. Paragraph 5. I know and understand the contents of this declaration. I have no objection to taking the prescribed oath. I consider the prescribed oath to be binding on my conscience. Signed, deponent. I certify that the deponent has acknowledged that he or she knows and understands the contents of this affidavit, that he or she does not have any objection in taking the oath, and that he or she considers it to be binding on his or her conscience, and which sworn to and signed before me and the administering of oath complied with the regulations contained in the Government Gazette number R1258 of 21 July 1972 as amended, and the Commissioner of Oath signed. Commissioner of Oath, Republic of South Africa, full names Uvir Debiseng, destination admitted attorney, ex officio, Republic of South Africa, date Tuesday 9 April 2024, place Capitec Bank, business address 60 Main Street, Johannesburg. That is page number 1. And then page 2 of 14, Fosloras case 636 of 10/2014, annexures to affidavit in terms of section 236 of Act 51 of 1977, exposition of accounting records and or documents attached here to ID number. My lord, this page 2 of 14 has already been handed in this court as annexure DD1. So I will not duplicate, the information is already on record. I will move to...
Is that so agreed? Before you so agree, is that correct, Mr.?
My lord,
That this...
indeed, Exhibit DD1 together with the, I remember the...
Yeah, you're supposed to
HR
call
records.
Mrs.
Yes.
Duplessis.
Yes, and the work records, the clocking records were previously handed, my lord.
Yeah, when you're representing accused number 2. Okay. Mr. Sibang says is not going to read the second page because the copies have been circulated to all of them, all of the councils.
Indeed so, my lord. And it's already part of the record as
Yes.
Exhibit DD1.
Okay.
God bless. So I'll move to page number 5. Page number 5, my lord. Annexed to affidavit in terms of section 236 of Act 51 of 1977, exposition of accounting records and or document aside, year 2, ID number 86012159-33083 is linked to the below account. 3 copies of the bank statements of savings account number of client Mr. Ngo'Lwesibini Sibiya, being account number 1146341790, statement for the period 2014/0101 to 2015/0630. These were the only transactions for the period requested.
My lord, I see accused number 1 is raising his hand as the status.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Yes, please.
Paragraph 4, copies of extras with particulars of the account holder, client information, and then B, copy of ID document, and then the deponent signed, Commissioner of Oath signed. Commissioner of Oath is Republic of South Africa, full names Uver de Besser, destination admitted attorney, ex officio, Republic of South Africa, date Tuesday 9 April 2024, place Capitec Bank, business address 60 Main Street, Johannesburg. And then you move to page 6. It says account number 1146341790, ZAR status close, branch number 2276, account type savings account, then this number 0300, then space 0001, branch number 2276, interest method, it says day, interest rate 0.0000, account name savings account, customer name Mr. Ngo'Lwesibini Sibiya, then space MS, GL classification code 2276 00069600170, last account type change CHG 99/99/9999, phone resident it's empty, phone business it's supposed to mean phone BUS it's empty, open post date 99/99/9999, open date 1/01/02/2007, last main date 99 /99/9999, last fin dates /10/09/2003. Int from date 01/09/2003, INT to date 30/04/2024. Credit expiry date empty. Current balance 00. Uncleared funds 00. NPB value 00. Interest available 00. P book balance 0.00. OD interest available is 00. Defaulting string 2900. P/P interest adjustment is 00. Check books in order, it's empty. Term check, it's empty. YTD interest 00. Over limit trans date is 09293. Then there's a date 31/08/2023. YTD res WH tax 00. YTD non-res WH tax 00. Statement Frank N cycle 0. Date 0. Interest value 0. Credit limit is empty. Current Visa DR interest 0 is empty. Credit limit is empty. Current Visa drawn interest 0. Available credit is empty. Current purchases empty. Last min payment is empty. Current cash advances is empty. C/A interest applied is empty. Purchase interest applied is empty. Security code it's empty. Delinquency is empty. Booking number 09293. And then there's a section where it says close. Client generic inquiry, customer number 112406041, customer type 01, customer status 00, last name Sibia, initials MM, title 01 Mr. Address 143 Sutu Hostel, Bote Drive. Other languages, number 4 isiZulu. ID or passport, option 2 SAID. Address 2 is empty. Suburb Foslorat South. Residence permit type, permanent residence permit. City Ruslo. Postcode 3750. Residence permit number is empty. Home city, okay, I've already placed that on record. Home phone number is empty. Permanent permit issue date is 00/00/0000. Home phone number is empty. Permit issue date is 000. Cell phone number 079 3790 137. Cell phone verification status. There's a space there, there's N. Payment expiry date 00/00/00. Employer name, unemployed. SPO name, 0. And then SPO phone number is 00. TXN account number 1146341179. Salary status, it's just not visible there. I will visit it. TSN account status 7. Last change 04/01/2020. CCS status normal active. NAIDO disputes N. Current date employed 31/01/2007. Revolving credit 1. Employer confirmed certain Henny. Loan stop 1. And then PCT says Ruslu. Month at previous employment 0. 30-day loan, there's no option there. P suburb Foslorat South. Previous employment confirmed, it's empty. Term loan, there's no option there, it's empty. P address 2, it's empty. FICA flag, it's 1. Last FICA date 23/11/2018. P address 143 City Hostel, Bothe Drive. Freeze date 30 days. Freeze date 00/00/0000. ABET/ECD is 10N, and then there's a space where it's 10 transmit and close. That's the end of page 6 of 14. And then page 7 of 14, Fosloras case 636 of 10/2014 is a copy of ID with ID number 860121593303. It's retained SA citizen. The surname is Sibia, names Elokubulawa, Stemba. He's a South African, born 1986, 0121, and then it was issued 2004, 0317. And then there's a photograph of a person there on that page. That's the end of page 7. My Lord, before I move to page 8, I think it is more prudent to then visit the actual bank statement so that I can close the record for accused number 1. Then I'll move to the second statement. It appears on page 15 of Exhibit EE1. It starts, yes, on page 15. It's a bank statement, savings account number. There's a Capitec emblem on top. Names, Mr. Elokubulawa, Stemba Sibia, 43 Sutu Hostel, Bothe Drive, Fosloras South, Ruslo, and then 3750. There's a stamp of Capitec Bank, 0904-2024, branch device 2060. And then on the right, there's also Capitec, return tax invoice, VAT registration number, 4680173-723, Capitec Bank Limited, 5 Newton Road, Techno Park, Stellenbosch 760, from date 01/01/2014 to date 230/06/2015, print date 09/04/2024. Account number, it says 1146341-790. And then it starts posting date, transaction date, description, money in brackets R, money out in brackets R, balance in brackets R. And then it starts 22/09/2014, date 22/09/2014, branch cash deposit in brackets notes, and then 21106-534 Fosloras Naledi. There's money in 100 rands, and then balance, it was 100 rands. And it reads Fosloras Naledi Mall Fosloras 09ZA. On the same day, 22/09/2014, transaction date 22/09/2014, branch cash deposit fee minus 1 rand and 50 cents and 15 cents, and then the balance that was available is 98 rand.85. 22/09/2014, transaction date 22/09/2014, SMS notification fee, and then 1 notification. It was 40 cents, and then the balance available 98.45. 29/09/2014, posting date, transaction date 29/09/2014, branch card replacement fee minus 40, and available balance is 58.45. 29/09, posting date 2014, transaction date 29/09/2014, SMS notification fee minus 80 cents, available balance 57 rand.65. 30 September 2014, posting date, transaction date 30 September 2014, payment received, A SARS with reference number 38324881535599, payment of 6,594.52, and then the balance available is 6,652.17 cents. And then it goes on to 30 September 2014, posting date, transaction date, 30 September 2014, ATM cash withdrawal, ATM Johannesburg, Kerk, Johannesburg, an amount of 1,600 rands went out, the balance was 5,052 rands and 17 cents. And it's further message Johannesburg 03ZA. On the same day, 30 September 2014, posting date, transaction date, 30 September 2014, ATM cash withdrawal fee, it was 70 cents, and then the balance was 5,447.57. On the same day, 30 September 2014, transaction date, 30 September 2014, SMS notification fee, 6 notifications, was one rand 60 cents. The balance was 5,046.67. On the same day, there was 30 September 2014, transaction date 30 September 2014, monthly account admin fee was 5 rands, balance 5,041.67. 1 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 1 September 2014, Speeds Johannesburg in brackets card 7961, purchase of 1,665, and then the balance there was 3,376.67. On the 1st of October 2014, transaction date 1 October 2014, ATM cash withdrawal, ATM Fosloras Naledi, Ma Fosloras 09ZA, amount of 500 rand went out of the account, and then the balance was 2,876.67. 1 October 2014, transaction date 1 October 2014, ATM cash withdrawal fee was minus 460, and the balance was 2,872.07 cents. 1 October 2014, transaction date 1 October 2014, prepaid purchase of 50 rands, balance 2,822.07 cents. Correction, 1 October 2014, transaction date 1 October 2014, prepaid purchase 50 rands, the balance 2,872.07 cents. 1 October 2014, transaction date 1 October 2014, prepaid purchase 100 rands, balance 2,772.07 cents. Same day, October 1, 2014, transaction date 1 October 2014, SMS notification fee, 3 notifications, 80 cents, balance 2,771.27 cents. 2 October 2014, transaction date 2 October 2014, TRW 101 Johannesburg in brackets card 7961 was a purchase of 199.00, balance 2,572.27. 2 October 2024, my apologies, transaction date 2 October 2014, ATM cash withdrawal, ATM Fosloras Naledi, Ma Fosloras 09ZA, 600 rands was withdrawn, and then the balance was 1,972.27 cents. 2 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 2 October 2014, ATM cash withdrawal fee 460, balance 1,967 and 67 cents. 2 October 2014, posting date 2 October 2014, transaction date SMS, notification fee 1 notification 40 cents, balance 1,967 and 27. 5 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 5 October 2014, ATM cash withdrawal. ATM Fosloras Naledi, Ma Fosloras 09ZA, 1,450, balance 517 and 27 cents. 5 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 5 October 2014, ATM cash withdrawal fee 460, balance 512 and 67. 5 October 2014, posting date 5 October 2014, SMS notification fee 1 notification 40 cents, balance 512 and 27. 5 October 2014. No, my apologies. 6 October 2014. Posting date, transaction date 6 October 2014. Branch cash deposit notes in brackets 427860804 Sloras Naledi, 300 rands, balance 812 and 27 cents. Plus Fosloras Naledi, Mall, Fosloras 09ZA. 6 October 2014, posting date, transaction dates 6 October 2014, branch cash deposit fee of 3 rand and 45 cents, balance 808 rands and 82 cents. 6 October 2014, posting date, 6 October 2014, transaction date, branch cash deposit fee, 3 rand is 40 cents, and the balance is 808 and 42. 9 October 2014, posting date, transaction date, 9 October 2014, ATM cash withdrawal, ATM Fosloras 2, Fosloras 09ZA, 100 rand was withdrawn and balance 708 and 42. 9 posting date 9 October 2014. Transaction date 9 October 2014, ATM cash withdrawal fee 460, balance 703 and 82. 9 October 2014, posting date 9 October 2014, transaction date, SMS notification fee 1 notification 40 cents, balance 703 and 42 cents. 10 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 10 October 2014, prepaid purchase MTN minus 12, and then the balance 691.42. 11 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 11 October 2014, ATM cash withdrawal, ATM Fosloras Naledi, Mafosloras 097A, amount of 100 rand was withdrawn, balance 591.42. 11 October 2014, posting date 11 October 2014, ATM cash withdrawal fee 460, balance 586 and 82. And then that is the end of page 15.
Lana ke umshushisi ulibele ufunda imininingwana ya kambangalelo oqala eyasebank uthi wayekade esebenzisa ibank yaseCapitec ukuthi usho konke imali ezazikade zingena neziphumile kuyo leyo bank yaseCapitec uthi uthole lokho kusuka komunye wabantu abasebenza eCapitec ukuthi uye wamnika nenombolo yozaziso futhi kuyabonakala ukuthi khona kulokufakaza umshushisi aphethe ikaridi noma ipasi lakhe umsolo wokuqala likhona umuzika ikhulelwa sibiya ukuthi umnumzana uSibanda ulibele uyafunda lapho ukuthi kuthiwani kulamaphepha lawa ekuyisona istatement phecelezi sika mangalelwa wesibi wokuqala umuzika wokukhulelwa sibiya. Ngeke ngisachaza wonke lamanombolo abekade ewasho, ngiyathemba ukuthi siwazwe sona.
11 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 11 October 2014, SMS notification fee, 1 notification 40 cents, balance 586 and 42 cents. 14 October 2014, transaction date 13 October 2014, prepaid purchase MTN 12 rands and in balance 574 and 42. 15 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 15 October 2014, ATM cash withdrawal, ATM Fosloras 09ZA, in amount of 50 rands was withdrawn, balance 524 and 42. 15 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 15 October 2014, ATM cash withdrawal fee 460, balance 519 and 82. 15 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 15 October 2014, ATM cash withdrawal, ATM Fosloras Naledi, Ma Fosloras 09ZA, amount of 80 rands was withdrawn, and then balance 439.82. 15 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 15 October 2014, ATM cash withdrawal fee 460, balance 485 and 22. 16 October 2014, posting date 16 October 2014, transaction date prepaid purchase MTN minus 12 rands, balance 423.22. 16 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 16 October 2014, ATM cash withdrawal Lisedi City, Fosloras, Griza, minus 150 rands, balance 273.22. 16 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 16 October 2014, ATM cash withdrawal fee 7 rand and 30 cents, balance 265 and 92. 16 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 16 October 2014, SMS notification fee 1 notification 40 cents, balance 265.52. 18 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 18 October 2014, prepaid purchase MTN minus 12 rands, balance 253.52. 20 October 2014 is the posting date, transaction date 19 October 2014, prepaid purchase MTN minus 12 rands, balance 241.52. 20 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 20 October 2014, prepaid purchase MTN 12 rands, balance 229.52. 21 posting date 21 October 2014, transaction date 20 October 2014, prepaid purchase 12 rands, balance 217.52. 22 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 22 October 2014, prepaid purchase 12 rands, balance 193.52. MTN 23 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 23 October 2014, prepaid purchase MTN 12 rands, balance 181.52. 24 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 24 October 2014, prepaid purchase MTN minus 12 rands, 169.52. 25 October 2014, posting date 25 October 2014, prepaid purchase MTN 30 rands minus the balance 139.52. 26 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 26 October 2014, prepaid purchase 12 rands and the balance is 127.52. Posting date 27 October 2014, transaction date 27 October 2014, prepaid purchase MTN minus 12 rands, balance 115.52. Posting date 28 October 2014, transaction date 28 October 2014, prepaid purchase MTN minus 30 rands and then balance is 85 rand and 52. 28 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 28 October 2014, prepaid purchase MTN 12 rands, balance 73 rands and 52. 30 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 30 October 2014, prepaid purchase MTN 12 rands and then balance available 61 rand and 52. 31 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 30 October 2014, prepaid purchase MTN 12 rands, balance 49 rands and 52. 31 October 2014, posting date, transaction date 31 October 2014, interest received 2 rand 23, balance 51 rand and 75. 31 October 2014, posting date 31 October, transaction date monthly account admin fee minus 5 rands, balance 46 rand and 75. 1 November 2014, posting date, transaction date 1 November 2014, prepaid purchase MTN 12 rands and then balance 34 rand and 75. 21 November 2014, posting date, transaction date 21 November 2014, branch cash deposit fee in brackets notes 211-03647 Fosloras Naledi Mall Fosloras 09ZA, deposit 50 rands, balance 84 and 75 rands. Cents rather. 21 November 2014, posting date, transaction date 21 November 2014, branch cash deposit fee of 58 cents, balance 84 rand and 17 cents. 24 November 2014, posting date, transaction date 24 November 2014, branch cash deposit in brackets notes 211-03647 Fosloras Naledi 4,600, balance 4,684 and 17. The transaction was done at Fosloras Mall 0709ZA. 24 November 2014, posting date, transaction date 24 November 2014. Branch cash deposit fee minus 52 rand and 90 cents, balance 4,631.27. 24 November 2014, posting date 24 November 2014, SMS notification fee, 1 notification, 40 cents, balance 4,630 and 87. 25 November 2014, posting date 25 November 2014, ATM cash withdrawal, ATM Fosloras Naledi, Ma Fosloras 09ZA, amount of 500 rand was withdrawn, and then the balance was 4,180 and 87. 25 November 2014, posting date, transaction date 25 November 2014, ATM cash withdrawal fee of 460, and then balance 4,126 and 27 cents. 25 November 2014, posting date, transaction date 25 November 2014, SMS notification fee, 1 notification 40 cents, and the balance 4,125 and 87. 26 November 2014. Posting date, transaction date, 26 November 2014. Prepaid purchase, MTN, of 50 rands, balance 4,075 rand and 87 cents. 27 November 2014. Posting date, transaction date, 27 November 2014. ATM cash withdrawal, Spark ATM discount foods, Carlton, Johannesburg 03ZA, minus 100 rands, balance 3,975 and 87. 27 November 2014, posting date, 27 November 2014, transaction date, ATM cash withdrawal fee, 460, balance 3,971 and 27 cents. 29 November 2014, posting date, transaction date, 29 November 2014, payment received 150, balance 4,120 and 87 cents. 29 November 2014, SMS notification fee, 1 notification 40 cents, balance 4,120 and 47. 30 November 2014, posting date, transaction date 30 November 2014. Prepaid purchase, MTN, 30 rands, balance 4,990 and 47. 30 November 2014, posting date, transaction date 30 November 2014. ATM cash withdrawal, ATM Fosloras 097A, ZA, amount 1,000 rands, balance 3,090 rand and 47. 30 November 2014, posting date, transaction date 30 November 2014. ATM cash withdrawal fee 460, balance 3,085 rand and 87 cents. 30 November 2014, posting date, transaction date 30 November 2014. Interest received 3 rand 49, balance 3,089 rands and 86 cents. 30 November 2014, posting date 30 November, transaction date, SMS notification fee 40 cents, and then balance 3,088 rand and 96. 30 November, posting date 30 November 2014, posting date 30 November 2014. Transaction, monthly account admin fee 5 rands, and then the balance is 3,083 and 96. 3 December 2014, posting date 3 December 2014, transaction date prepaid purchase MTN, time of 12 rands, balance 3,071 rands and 96. 4 December 2014, posting date 4 December 2014, transaction date, SMS notification fee, 1 notification, 40 cents, balance 3,071 rand and 56. 5 December 2014, posting date, transaction date 4 December 2014, prepaid purchase, 12 rand, balance 3,059 and 56. 5 December 2014, posting date, transaction date 5 December 2014, TRW 246 East Rand, in brackets card 7961, purchase of 1,050 rands, balance 2,009 rands and 56 cents. 5 December 2014, posting date 5 December 2014, prepaid purchase MTN 30 rands, balance 1,979 and 56. 5 December 2014, posting date, transaction date 5 December 2014, SMS notification fee, 1 notification, 40 cents, balance 1,979 and 16 cents. (7 December 2014, posting date 7 December 2014, transaction date Boxer, KwaZulu, then dash Natal, CAD 7961, minus 140, balance 1,839 and 16. 13 December 2014, posting date, transaction date 13 December 2014, ATM cash withdrawal, ATM Nongoma 03ZA, minus 1,750, balance 89 Rand and 16. 13 December 2014, posting date 13 December 2014, transaction date ATM cash withdrawal fee minus 4 Rand 60, balance 84 Rand and 56. 13 December 2014, posting date 13 December 2014, SMS notification fee, 1 notification 40 cents, 84 Rand 16. 31 December 2014, posting date, transaction date 31 December 2014, interest received 3 Rand 48, balance 87 Rand and 64. Then 31 December 2014, posting date 31 December 2014, monthly account admin fee 5 Rand, balance 82 Rand and 64. 31 January 2015, posting date 31 January 2015, interest received 31 cents, balance 82 Rand and 95. 31 January 2015, posting date, transaction date 31 January 2015, monthly account admin fee 5 Rand, balance 77 Rand and 95. 31 January 2015, posting date, my apologies, 28 February 2015, posting date, transaction date 28 February 2015, interest received 26 cents, balance 78 Rand 21. 31 March 2015, posting date, transaction date 31 March 2015, interest received 27 cents, and then balance 17 Rand and 48. 31 March 2015, posting date, transaction date 31 March 2015, monthly account admin fee minus 5 Rand, balance 68 Rand 48. That is the end of page 16.
It's page what?
Page 16.
16.
My Lord, I'm advised that we have reached the end of the day. We can stop
Okay.
here and then we can proceed. We can proceed tomorrow with the rest of the evidence.
Have you discussed these accounts with your colleagues?
We did disclose the account with.
They don't want to admit that these accounts are correct.
Mr. Mngomezi, will explain.
I mean,
My Lord, we do not admit the correctness of this. And moreover, there's a statement, there's a bank account that has not been furnished to the defense for a standard bank account.
I see. So the information here, the bank
That's correct.
just cooked it as to quote you.
I'll keep on saying that. And especially if the state can discover the bank account, the standard bank account.
Now, I can't tell the state what to do.
That's why I'm saying the state, if the state can do that.
Then,
They are not sufficient, the documents that they need to, because there are comparisons that I need to do from the Standard Bank account with the Capitec.
You want to do that comparison?
Me,
You.
with my clients.
So what's your problem?
That's
Your
why I
client
don't-
was a member, wait, your client is a customer of the Standard Bank.
Yes,
You can get that.
it doesn't have
Give them a
access.
subpoena to say that you want the record of your clients from day 8 to day 20.
That's correct.
And then you compare. What's your problem?
That's not a problem.
Yeah. But what surprises me is, I mean, are you going to contest each and every deposit and a withdrawal when you say you're disputing it?
That's not
Because
what-
that's how I understand you.
That's not what I'm implying.
What what is your client disputing? The correctness of all the entries, bank charges, withdrawals, ATM charges, withdrawals, interest accruing.
My lord, I don't want to.
No,
see
I'm not
myself-
saying, I'm just surprised.
May I respond, because the court was asking a question.
Yeah, fine.
How do I consult with my client regarding those transactions? I do not like to be pushed into a corner in terms of admitting what the state is reading before this court. If I don't have a bank account, a standard bank account, that's not a proper consultation instruction that I'll take from the accused. There are certain things that I foresee conflicting with the transactions in the Capitec account and the net bank account, which are not disclosed to me from the bank account, from the standard bank account. That's the importance of
Let's
my
let's
objection.
hear Mr. Sibanda. They say there is gaps in the information. That's how because they can't make comparison with other bank accounts. Do you have Standard Bank, for instance? Do you have accounts for Standard Bank in respect of any of the accused?
My lord, we are in a process of compiling the Standard Bank information and provide it to the defense. As soon as that information is put together, and then we'll furnish
All
it to
of the
defense.
accused have Standard Bank accounts.
Yes, in respect of accused number 5, I confirm.
Right, FNB accounts.
None of them, my lord.
So it's Standard Bank, Capitec, Net Bank, and
Net
what?
Bank, ABSA, we have not received any response from ABSA at this stage.
Umshushisi uthi unobufakazi obuchaphazela kulezi statement zebank uthi esikammangalelo oqala wesibini, mangalelo wesine nowesihlanu. Owesithathu akazange akhulume ngaye ngestatement sakhe. Manje ubekade elibele efunda istatement sommangalelo oqala la ekutheni umnumzana uMngomezulu uthi kwamele kube futhi nestatement esase Standard Bank sakhe ummangalelo oqala kulayi ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthi akhulumisane nommangalelo oqala kahle ngoba inkantolo yayikade ibuza ukuthi niyaphika yonke into ebhalwe lapha ana kulezi statement nokudrawa nokuthengwa kwe network i-airtime nakho konke okubhalwe kulezi statement manje ukuthiwa kwamele ke kuhlanganiswe nestatement zase Standard Bank nommangalelo sihlanu nawe unaso istatement sase Standard Bank kodwa uthi umshushisi azikapheleli izothi uma sebazitholile bazokwazi ukuthi banike ababeli zonke futhi ingathi kune statement somunye esase Nedbank naso eyukuthi izothi mase sephelele bese bonke abameli bazonikwa lezo statement.
Yes,
As the
Mr.
court pleases, my lord. My lord, indeed so. My lord will recall from the testimony of Lieutenant Colonel House that he referred to a certain Standard Bank account number saved up on one of the contact numbers as the account of accused number 2, and we did indeed verify that that is the account number of accused number 2. We had requested as well the bank statement of accused number 2 regarding the numbers that were used to one, open the account, to what you call this, when you amplify your details later, when you move address or whatever, update your profile with the bank, all of that. And we were told by my learned colleague, Mr. Sibanda, indeed, that they are in the process of compiling same, and same hasn't been finished to us yet. So I concur with Mr. Ngomezulu that there are certain bank account statements that are still outstanding in respect of, for myself in particular, accused number 2 as well.
Mr. Mnisi?
In the utmost economy of the word, I've been informed by the state that my client is not involved. He's not affected by this evidence.
Oh, I see.
So
Okay.
for now, we're remaining neutral parties.
Okay. Amalo?
Madam, in respect of my client, I've received the relevant information.
Hello?
In respect of my client, I've received the relevant information, so there is no problem. And in terms of the bank transaction, they may be handed in terms of Section 236, capital letter A of the CPA.
I can't hear you.
I'm saying, my lord, in terms of Section 236, capital letter A of the Act, the bank transaction may be handed in
Yeah.
as prima facie proof. So there will be no need for the state to read the transactions into the record.
Yeah, but I know that they may be handed in. The question is, are you disputing the veracity of those transactions?
No. We are not disputing
I
the
thought Mr.
veracity of the
Ngomezulu says
transactions.
you're disputing it.
No, in respect of accused number 4, I think.
Oh,
was-
for number 4, you just want to have sight of them.
Yes.
Because otherwise...
He has had sight. He has
Oh, I
had
see.
sight,
He's had sight.
Yes, he has had sight of the transactions.
Yeah, because if you guys want to dispute this, I think we must budget for the year 2030.
My lord, he has had sight
Because
of
look
the
at this,
transactions.
look at this transaction. I won't mention. There's an account number. It says on the 22nd of September 2014 there was a transaction. On the 22nd of September there was another transaction. On the 22nd of September there's another transaction. So on that day it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 transactions. On the 22nd.
Is that
And then on the 30th, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 transactions. On the 1st of October 2014, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 transactions. So if you're going to dispute each and every transaction, are you with me?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Okay, fine.
As I've indicated, my lord, we are not disputing the transactions.
So when are we getting the other statements?
We can provide same tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow?
Yes, I will try my best to disclose same via email or WhatsApp to Mr. Ngomezulu as soon as I receive them tonight. I'll compile and forward to Mr. Ngomezulu.
Even Ms. Mshololo wants the record. Is that not so?
No, I think it's Mr. Ramosepile.
Yeah, Mr. Ramsipiri wants also. Why don't you give all of the councils all that information?
We usually disclose, in fact, I disclose all these records to all the councils. Even Mr. Mnisi, where his client is not involved, I did disclose to him.
Is it?
Fully, yes.
Yeah. So are you still going to dispute the evidence of Mrs. Duplessis? When you were acting for accused, you were acting for accused number 2 that he was in Nongoma on such and such a day, and you withdrew or received 60,000, blah blah blah.
That's the one in answering what the court was putting to Mr. Numaro, that are we disputing all? For accused number 2, it only pertains to the transactions between the 25th of October 2014 to the let's say to the 30th of November, not the whole transactions, madam.
Okay. Okay, let's adjourn then. See you tomorrow. Okay.